Hello. Today I want to walk you through how our machine vision software transforms quality control across various manufacturing industries, ensuring flawless production and operational efficiency. Let's talk about why EasyODM is crucial for quality-focused manufacturing. Our solution offers unmatched accuracy at 99%, significantly reducing human error. By processing visual data at high speed, we cut inspection times, enhancing efficiency without sacrificing quality. Our technology detects 30% more defects than traditional inspections, often finding flaws that are nearly invisible to the human eye. With real-time monitoring, we catch issues as they arise, giving you 24/7 assurance of product quality. EasyODM is designed for a broad range of materials: textile, glass, plastic, and wood, to name a few. But we're constantly expanding our capabilities. Our adaptable system is always ready to meet your specific product needs, no matter the industry. So, if you're producing goods that demand high standards of visual inspection, EasyODM is equipped to support and scale with you. One example of our system in action is within plastic quality control, where maintaining the exact shade is vital. Even a small color deviation of PET preforms could mean significant costs due to product returns. Our solution alerts quality inspectors the moment any inconsistency is detected, allowing immediate action. This automated approach saves both time and capital, ensuring that your products meet precise specifications consistently. In the automotive industry, our technology supports the inspection of car seats for wrinkles during production. Here's a striking figure. Where manual inspection can take about a minute per seat, EasyODM performs the same task in just 2.2 seconds. That's a 27x increase in speed, along with a 30x reduction in costs. Our system identifies any wrinkling, passing that data directly to an ironing robot to resolve the issue. It's a clear example of efficiency and quality working hand in hand. For wood products such as oak flooring, ensuring accurate classification is essential. Misclassifications not only hurt customer satisfaction, but also result in financial losses. By using EasyODM, human subjectivity is removed from the equation. Our software objectively detects and classifies quality levels, providing a reliable and repeatable process that keeps customers happy and products consistent. In some industries, quality isn't just a matter of aesthetics, but also safety. Take the example of breathing tubes in medical applications, where incorrect placement of an arrow could lead to dangerous situations. EasyODM helps reduce costly product recalls and ensures that critical markings are always where they need to be, supporting patient safety and maintaining product reliability. With EasyODM, you're not just implementing a software solution, you're partnering with a company committed to raising the bar in visual quality inspection through AI. Whether you're in automotive, plastics, wood, or beyond, our solution can help you reduce costs, increase accuracy, and improve efficiency. Let's connect to discuss how EasyODM can bring immediate value to your production line.